how to fix Touch ID and passcode missing on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to address the issue of missing Touch ID and passcode settings on certain iPhone models. So if you open up your settings and then search for the Touch ID and passcode, it's not here, then I have a solution for you. What you need to do is you will need to find screen time on your settings, tap on it, and then scroll down and then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now, here scroll down and under allow changes to you'll find passcode and face ID. Tap on it, and if it is set to don't allow, then tap on allow. So if you come back and check for the face ID and passcode option, you'll need to refresh first, and then there you go, it appears right there on your settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.